salvation for the world, as we were taught by the Second Vatican Council. It starts here at Paris, where people are free and dedicated enough and committed enough to express what kind of lives, what kind of faith, what kind of works, if you will.
O God, in your goodness, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For those regions experiencing the devastating effects of climate change, may countries around the world work together to better care for the environment. O God, in your goodness, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For those discerning major life decisions, may they feel God helping them, guiding them in the correct direction. O God, in your goodness, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For the sick members of our parish and all in need of prayer, especially Francis Luna, Jean Kuzniers, Colin Tenner, Mary Combo, Rod
See